going out? Come on in. We got some pizza here today, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I forgot your credit card. So
Oh, it's
you can
okay.
just sign here.
Okay, I'll sign it. Hey, what's the damage?
It is 38.
All right, I got that right there. Hey, here's your tip. Hey, can you put that on the stove for me? Okay. Hey, I'm sorry I'm a little jumpy. That's what my Indian name is. Peace when he sneezes. All right. You're not too chatty of a fella, are you?
I'm kind of a shy person.
That's fine. I got a pen for you on the way out.
Thank you.
All right.
You have made my night.
I apologize for the, whatever. Don't step on my sandals. I just had them waxed. All right, I'll see you. Thanks a lot, brother.